So here's how to record screen on laptop with audio. We will start off by opening ShareX on your PC. If you don't have this application, you can download it. Then go to the left panel and click on Task Settings. Then click on Screen Recorder as shown. Now click on Screen Recording Options. From here, you can manage the video and audio settings for screen recording, for example, audio source and video encoder. You can also add additional line arguments or use custom commands if you want. Also, there are several other screen recorder apps that are available on the market. You can also explore those in order to get the best one, but this one should work just fine. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily record screen on laptop with audio.